Interlock your fingers tightly and fold them down. Then press the back edge of your palms together. Next, offset the bottom of your hand so the gaps are sealed tight. And press your thumbs together, leaving a small hole between them. Fold them down, then purse your lips and press your top lip on the knuckles of your thumb. Breathe out like a heavy sigh, directing the air down into your hand before it comes back out the same hole. If it doesn't work the first time, adjust your fingers, the angle of your mouth, and the speed of your breath until you hear a bird whistling from your hands.